if you want to tell Excel not equal to, I'll show you quickly how to do it. So here we want to build a little if function. All I'm going to say, look at that cell there. In order to say not equal to, you do a less than and a bigger than right next to each other. In this case, it's going to be not equal to in South Africa. What must it do? Well, if it's not equal to in South Africa, it must say online courses. Otherwise, it can say live courses. So when I say OK, it looks for not equaling this. So that symbol over there in Excel's terms is a less than and a bigger than next to each other.